Hello! The endless story of the Strathearn Stratic something. Yeah, I have to pull it apart once more for the gazillionth time, since I'm not pleased with the result. As you can see, I made a new foil, which is much wider. And that's what I want to try. It is kind of a, something I just want to try. Before, it was like 2 lanes used, like this one. Well, lanes, well, you know what I mean. In between magnets, here and here. What I did usually with the tweeters, depending on how much output you want. So this is gonna lose some output. You can like widen that and use the sides of the magnets here and here as well, instead of just throwing it away. So that's what I'm doing. It's probably because my endless quest for reaching lower. So this foil is probably fucked right now, but that's no problem. I tried a 6 micron foil, like mylar, and 12 micron aluminium, and it's funny. In ribbon and planar magnetic thingies, often, well, it still looks good, as you can see. It looks good. Light is an issue. Oh wait, I changed the thing here. So yes, it's all kind of purple tape. But I make the coil so I could use the original terminal. So there's like a bridge here, which has a soldering. So there's a pad here of aluminium, then it's bridged to here, and insulation is this tape. So I can use the original terminals, which is good. And the camera is kind of not wanting to film this. But now I'm gonna destroy everything once more. So I need to make a nice jig that you can like adjust. I didn't. See, it's a bit like this, but it's no big deal. Now you know what I mean with these round thingies. That's not ideal because my ribbon is square. And it's quite large by the looks of it. So I could make it smaller. So this has to be sitting around here. Normally I would like stretch it to a certain amount. In this case, I don't know what that amount is, so it's gonna be random. Has to be in the middle though. There's a piece sticking out, which is not a piece used by the coil. There is a tiny bit sticking out here that is coil, so that needs to stay. But it's, you know, it's raised by the foam, so now it will be squished by the other foam, and hopefully all is well. So in this case, we got a point here. Let's use a screwdriver here. This one's not that. So I'm going to mask off this piece. And in between here. We're going to lay down a piece of aluminium tape there. First, I'm going to put the screws back in. Like terminals. Okay. This one's sitting here. I'm still working. There. Yeah, so piece of tape. Got some laying around here. You have to double check because otherwise you're just doing everything 3 times. Okay, now we can put this piece of copper here at the nut. This one is tight, the other one is not. Now this part, this screw will end up in the coil, so I cannot use it. That's too bad. I need to find something else for it or drill new holes. I'm not gonna do that if I don't need to, so not for now. This screw hole is fucked, which is quite annoying. Apparently no, so it's not at all. I thought that was something. Well, over tight them, just to make sure I'm not screwing up more if I did one. Yeah, this one's all loose. Not cool. But they're all in. Let's give it a tune, or at least a sweep.